Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off 24-hour time format in this device. Now you can see the time is 12-hour time format. Now let me show you how to enable the 24-hour time format. Go to settings, tap on the option general. Then here you can see the option date and time, tap on this one. Now here you can see the option 24-hour time. Now turn on this option. Now if you go here, now you can see the time is changed. Here also you can see the time is changed. Again I am going to change the settings to 12 hour, that means 24-hour time format I am going to disable. Then it will automatically set to 12-hour time format. Turn off this one. Now you can see the time is changed, and here also you can see the time is changed. So simply in this way you can turn on or off the 24-hour time format in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.